Another common problem that comes up is when you're using the AJAZZ Stream Dock controller software is how to pair it to OBS using the WebSocket feature. This was giving me a lot of issues until I figured it out. To connect your Stream Dock to OBS, open OBS and navigate to the Tools drop-down menu. Then click OBS WebSocket Settings. Click the checkboxes that say Enable WebSocket Server and Enable Authentication. In the Stream Dock controller software, drag an OBS-related button into the layout and it will prompt you to connect to OBS. It needs the local IP address, the port number, and password from OBS. Back in OBS, under Server Settings, click Show Connect Info. Copy each of the boxes and paste them one by one into the Stream Dock Connection Information window. Press Connect, and OBS and the Stream Dock should be connected now. If you get an error, it's likely that the IP address from OBS is incorrect. Go into your operating system's network settings and find what your computer's local IP address is. On my Mac, I went to System Settings, then Network, then I clicked on my Wi-Fi connection. On that window, it tells you what your local IP address is. Another problem that I ran into is that the actual Stream Dock hardware needs to be plugged into the computer. I tried to connect to OBS just with the software controller and it was not having it. Once I had the actual button board plugged in, it worked immediately. Another troubleshooting technique you might try is to just close out of both OBS and the Stream Dock controller software. For some reason, closing both and then just opening them right back up again made the whole thing run smoother. You will know that the two apps are successfully talking to each other in OBS in the list of connected WebSocket sessions. I hope this video helped you connect your Stream Dock to OBS. What are you going to use your Stream Dock for? Let me know in the comments below. Catch you on the next one.